continue in English. Para continuar en Hello, and thank you for calling. Congratulations! Just for calling in today, you may qualify for a $100 retail rebate certificate, redeemable at your favorite retailers. If you qualify, the $100 retail rebate certificate is yours to keep for just a small fee. So make sure you have your credit card
free gift as long as I pay for it?
$100 retail rebate certificate.
All right.
Press 1 on your phone now and find out if you qualify for your $100 retail rebate certificate. Again, press 1 on your phone now and find out if you qualify for your $100 retail rebate certificate.
That you have to pay for.
Press any other key to hear our next...
Hello?
Hi, thank you for holding. My name is Norma, and I'll be helping you claim your $100 rebate voucher today. Our calls are recorded for quality assurance. May I have your first and last name, please?
Yeah, my name is Tula El Sagande.
Can you please spell out your name for me?
Yourname.
Your mommy.
Please. Who?
What is your name?
What's yours?
My name is Norma.
Norma Jean? That's a pretty name.
Norma.
That's a pretty name. Who'd you get it from? Did your
My
parents?
father.
Oh, your father? He's a good guy. Maybe I'll invite him over one day for chicken and we'll talk about it. Hello, Norma, you still there?
Okay, so what is your name?
What's my name? Tula?
Yes.
No, it's not yes, it's Tula.
Tulip.
No, it's not toilet. Tula.
Tula.
Tulia. Tulia.
And the last name?
My last name is Kywonne. That's Kyonne.
Kyrone.
Yes. I'm from El
Thank you,
Segundo.
Tulip. And what's the full address?
My full address, I don't want to give that out until I know who I'm talking to. I live in El Segundo, if that helps any. You know,
Where do you live?
El Segundo, New Mexico. You ever heard of it?
Okay. So, I need the full address. What's the street address?
The street address is 1375. And I'll have to spell this one. It's called, I just spell it. ISRNOPEQTR.
And the city, state, and zip code?
El Segundo, New Mexico. And the zip code is 9043712.
Okay, and can you confirm your phone number?
No, that's not my phone number.
What's your number?
My number is 706-879-4331.
Okay, do you have an email address you'd like to provide?
No. I got one, but I don't use
No
it.
problem.
I don't use it.
No problem. No problem. Well, what's your date of birth, if you don't mind me asking?
Say that again?
Your date of birth. When is your birthday?
My birth date, what's that mean?
Your birthday. When were you born?
Honey, do you know what a birthday is?
What's your age?
Oh, it's my age. Oh, okay. Well, I can't hear too good out of one ear, and I'm deaf in the other one.
Okay, so your birthday, please.
My birthday, December 24th, 1931.
Okay. So we are sending you $100 voucher for Walmart, Target, and over 800 retail stores. Along with the voucher, we let you try discount and savings advantage for $1.95 for 15 days. With this shopping program, you can save up to 50% on dining at over 4,000 restaurants, online shopping, and much more. If you decide you like the program and want to stay a member after your 15-day trial, do nothing and you will be billed for $4.99 per month to the card that you provide today. But if you decide it's not for you, you can call to cancel at any time. You will not be billed further and the voucher is yours to keep and spend. So for the small $1.95 fee, would you prefer to use your Visa or your MasterCard? So we can ship this voucher to your address. And when does your card expire?
I would rather use it on a debit card.
What's the expiration date on the card?
1976.
Well, then that card is already expired.
Okay, well, I'll change it. 1994.
That card is already expired.
Okay, 2091.
Now, Miss Allison, we don't have enough money left to win the car. We can get to the 10 grand.
This is not a line to play on. Bye.
Have a good day. I'm not playing. Are you going to come over for chicken? Hello? Norma Jean, are you still there? Well, evidently she don't want to play no more. Have a good day, Norma Jean. Been nice talking to you, I think, if that's your real name. Okay, bye-bye.